Thank you so much for your interest in going organic with Good Nature. Good Nature is not like other lawn care companies. Other lawn care companies, even organic-based companies, will use chemical weed killers, insecticides, and fungicides in order to keep things from damaging your lawn. Good Nature takes the opposite approach. We focus on creating a healthy lawn that's resistant to insects, weeds, and diseases. We don't use chemicals like 2,4-D or any weed killers or any toxic insecticides. Instead, using materials that help your grass defend itself from weeds, insects, and diseases. Here's how the process works. Now we have your information, we'll take a look at your lawn using our satellite imagery and get a size and be in touch with a general quote appropriate for most lawns. We call this our Natural Foundation Program, and it's where we recommend that you start out. Once we get you going with the Natural Foundation Program, we'll get to know your lawn, we'll get to know you, we'll do some detailed analysis, and we'll be in touch later in the season to try to come up with a plan that meets your specific needs and accomplishes your goals and fits into your budget. We really look forward to helping you have a beautiful, organic yard that you can feel great about.